Hey there, welcome to uGenesys. Are you searching for a way to make money online in Jamaica? Do you want to break out of the cycle of poverty? Well, I have something very exciting to show you. Today we're diving into the exciting world of Forex trading and discussing how it can be a powerful tool to help our Jamaican viewers escape the clutches of poverty and achieve financial prosperity. If you've ever wondered how to break free from the cycle of poverty, this one is for you. So let's get started. Forex trading, also called foreign exchange trading, is a global financial market where you buy and sell currencies. It's accessible to anyone with an internet connection and a little bit of knowledge. Unlike the stock market, which has specific trading hours, Forex is open 24 hours, 5 days a week, so you can trade whenever it works for you. Now let's talk about how Forex can help our fellow Jamaicans break from poverty. Forex trading involves buying and selling currency pairs like the USD, JMD. When you buy one currency, you're also selling another one. The Forex market's volatility can create opportunities for traders and investors, which can lead to financial gains. Managing risk is key to success. You should have a solid risk management strategy in place to protect your hard-earned money. Education is power. Before you dive in, take the time to educate yourself. There are many resources online to help you understand Forex trading better. And now let's talk about the concept of passive income. This is when the money starts flowing in your pockets with a little effort on your part. And here is why it's so crucial for breaking free from poverty. Passive income streams can give you financial freedom. You won't be tied down to a 9-to-5 job, and you'll have more control over your time. Building multiple streams of passive income can reduce your dependence on a single source of income. Some passive income sources can provide earnings for years, even decades, long after the initial effort or investment. Passive income requires less active work compared to a traditional job. This can free up your time for other things like enjoying our beautiful island or spending more time with your family and loved ones. And for our fellow Jamaicans facing the challenges of poverty, passive income can be a way out. It's a path to financial security and a brighter future. But wait, that's not all. If you are interested in Forex trading and you want to earn a passive income, I have an amazing opportunity for you. Introducing uGenesys Copy Trading. We offer a copy trading program that allows you to automatically replicate the trades of experienced traders. It's like having your own personal guide to navigate the Forex market. And just check out the profits that we've been making for some of our clients. As of today's date, this is the total we've made on this client account. And if you take a look at this chart right here, you can see that we're making profits consistently. And we've achieved a 2.07% total growth on this account. And we are currently on track to hit 1% growth every week, which would be 4% growth every month. And we currently have a win rate of 75%. So we have more winners than losers. Because for any trading strategy to be successful, you have to have more winners than losers. So this is the game changer. Our copy trading program enables you to link your account to our master account, automatically copying our daily trades. And the best part, it's completely free to sign up with no monthly or weekly fees. As for the profits, we only deduct a modest 20% fee from your earnings when you're in the profit zone. So for example, if you make $100, you give us $20 and keep the remaining $80. And what sets this apart is that you pay only after you made money, unlike other programs that require upfront payment. And also, it's incredibly convenient and hands-free. You can even let your profits grow while you're getting some sleep. And this is a big advantage for new traders who may feel overwhelmed by the abundance of information online. With a small 2% monthly growth, you can see a remarkable 24% annual growth, far surpassing what most banks and investment firms can offer. Think of it as a long-term investment. And let me tell you, it's not just for seasoned traders. Our copy trading service works both for standard dollar accounts and cent accounts. So you can start as little as $10, which is equivalent to 1,000 US cents. But for the best results, we recommend starting with at least $100, which equals 10,000 US cents. And your money will grow and you have full control. You can withdraw your profits whenever you want. It's your money and we don't have access to your funds. Our program is in partnership with Hot Forex Markets, a reputable broker that sponsors the illustrious football club PSG. So guys, don't delay. This is the future of Forex trading. Click the link below to join our Telegram group for detailed instructions on how to get started. And thank you for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.